Yesterday, as per the Honorable Deputy Commissioner's direction, me as Assistant Commissioner Belgavi, DRCS Cooperative Societies Department and ACP Market along with jurisdictional CPI, we have visited Shivasanagar Shivam Associates and Acumen their office premises, wherein we searched their documents. We gone through their laptop also. So we found that there is a loan agreement. It cannot be called as deed. There is a paper on which they were taking hand loans from the people, and it is unsecured way of procuring the money. So it is unregulated. There is no follow-up of SEBI or RBI guidelines. So we have given a report to the Honorable Deputy Commissioner. In turn, the Honorable Deputy Commissioner has written to the government in this regard. So, and meanwhile, as per the Honorable Deputy Commissioner's direction, IRCS Cooperative Societies has lodged FIR in Malmaruthi Police Station. So accordingly, the police officials have taken action against Shivanand Neelavar. So the investigation is going on. The further details will be explained by Honorable Deputy Commissioner and the Police Commissioner City, Belgavi, tomorrow to the media. Thank you.
Sir, any investors are approached you or any?
No, it is through market intelligence to avoid further, cascading effect of this unregulated financial thing. So we have taken appropriate steps now.